Welcome back. Anything that moves, Miss Moneymaker here. I just wanted to bring something to your attention here with Apple's chart. You don't have to know how to read charts to see this. I'm going to show you why I'm saying this when I go over here to ascending triangle pattern. We came up into this area. We hit here, resistance, bounced down. Okay, that was support. Came up, bounced down. Support again. So support, support, support. This is called an ascending triangle pattern, okay, when this is happening like this. So will we bounce in here and then break out? Apple to the upside. So that's why I said, let me just make this video because I know there's news. There's always news, okay? There's always news, people, because they have to have a job, right? Somebody has to say something about something. But a whole lot of people have Apple products all the time. I have Apple products and they always work. Okay, they always work. I don't see Apple stopping anytime soon. God bless Steve Jobs. Okay, God rest his soul. Alrighty. So now, I just want you to be aware though, if we break this support that's been holding from all the way back here, this is April, May time, okay? When this support trend line, ascending triangle pattern's been holding. If we break out of this to the downside, we're not supposed to, but if we do, you need to have some kind of stop in place. You don't want to just keep going all the way down like into Never Land or something, okay? But right now, we are above the 200, the 50-day and the 20-day moving average, and that's what we're supposed to be above. That is great. So it could be Apple to the upside. Why am I saying that? Look over here, because here, brought to us by Investopedia. When you come in to the pattern from below, like we did, and we go bounce, bounce, we're supposed to go to the upside. That's the pattern I was just showing you. This is why I'm saying what I'm saying, okay? When I see that, other traders also see it too. So the prediction should be Apple to the upside, all right? So that's what we're hoping for. Doesn't have to be, but I said, let me show that. We have earnings in 20 days, okay? Earnings in 20 days. So just wanted to show that, and be careful out there. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Click like, subscribe. Peace.